Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal July of 2025. Let's grab our junk journals and our ephemera, packages and everything to get creative and dive into day 7 and the prompt of travel. But first, let's make a good cup of coffee to accompany us or your beverage of choice while creating. For me, it definitely has to be coffee, and I really needed an iced coffee this morning to get me going. Let's dive into today's spread with the theme of travel. I first had to flip through the pages, and I really knew I wanted to use one of the pages that has the mapped kind of look that is the old Atlas page, but I just had to decide which one to use for today's spread, and I decided on this one, which has the calendar on the other side. Now let's just dive in that we have picked our spread for the day. And as always, I started with creating the label for day 7 and the theme travel. And today I really did use my label maker quite a lot. You will see it later down the line. Again, I just really love these kind of embossed labels. I think they make everything look so cool. I had one old ticket from traveling that I wanted to include in the spread, and I just glued it down with some washi tape to make a little fold out page. Then I added another stamp here, just something from a mailer I got a few days back, because I feel like nowadays the postage is most of the time written or sent when you travel with postcards, and I thought it would fit the theme for today in a way. How are you guys all doing? How is your junk journal journey coming along so far? I hope you still enjoy this challenge and have a lot of fun with it. And remember, just go with the flow and take your time. There's no necessity to complete the prompt on the day that I have assigned to it. You can also do it later or do it in advance, however it works best for your schedule. Don't know. Some people will have more time to create on the weekends, or you also could just do a few of the prompts. You don't have to do all 31 of them. It's completely up to you. Feel free to make the challenge fit your needs and your everyday life. So here I added the word wanderlust to the spread because I always feel like that's the part that makes travel so fun, is wandering around, getting lost in a new city or a new place and just explore. And here I decided to add some few stickers to the page that would fit the theme. And yeah, like that, I'm just going with the flow. I thought happy days and vacation would be a good sticker to add here. Now let's add some more labels to the spread. I just wanted to add the saying "let's go on adventures" and thought it would look cute if it has the same font and vibes like the daily header. So I did decide to print that label as well. And add it to the front here of the ticket. I'm really happy with how this page came together. It's a bit more cluttered, I feel like, but I don't know, it makes sense for me in a way, so I'm really happy about that. Do you enjoy more cluttered pages or more minimalistic pages? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you tomorrow. Happy creating!